Hello, my dear students. As we all know, today is Children's Day, and if you can go for a celebration of Children's Day, it's very difficult for anyone to celebrate Children's Day like a children's. Actually, if you are a children and if you can take an example of a child have a different kinds of a behavior. Sometimes child wants to sleep, child wants to go for a breakfast, child wants to go for a more and more foods, right? Naughtiness needed for a child every time. If you can go for any cartoon, if you can go for anything, they always want cartoons, they always want those kind of things which are really important for their life when they are teenagers, right? But if you can compare mature one and child, or if you can so simply about the Children's Day, in front of mom and dad, everyone is children, right? If I can talk about myself as a director of this institute, I have completed lots of things in my life, right? But if you can talk about my father and mother, in front of my father and mother, I am also like a child, right? If you can take example of an students who are studying in different school of Balia and outside of Balia, or if you can talk about all over the world, every child have a same behavior of naughtiness and all. Some are serious in teenage, some have a seriousness after some time. But if you can talk about the childhood is very important fact. One time you will get childhood in your life, one time you will get young age in your life, and one time you will get old age in your life. And if you can talk about the every age, all are important for you. You can't say that this thing is like if you can say it will be repeated, right? Childhood is different. Simply, if the kid is coming in nursery, and if his kid is going for a LKG, then his kid is going for a UKG, then class first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Every year he or she is growing, and then he are getting more and more knowledge. The same teacher, if you can talk about, when you are at an age of 3, you will get one teacher is teaching there in nursery class, and after some time you are in class first, you are in class second, third, after some time you are in class 12th also, and then you are getting the same nursery teacher is teaching in the nursery, and the age is growing. So if you can talk about the school life, if one student continuing the studying in the same school from nursery to class 12, he or she is completing 15 years in the school. And if you can go for a batches related to the school that you are getting, that every year we are going through the class 12th students, they are passing out from this school, and the new ones are coming in the nursery, right? And every year we are getting a Children's Day on 14th of November, right? But if you can talk about the development related to the student, what kind of development needed in the students and what kind of things needed in the modern age, that in modern age we are totally depending on digital world. We are going through this thing, we are going to virtual world, and we are just living the physical things. But I want to confirm one thing, physical thing is also important, physical exercise are important, physical life is totally important for you guys. If you can counting anything in your life, everything is important in your life. You can't say this thing is not important. If you can go for this thing is not, everything is important for your life, right? If you can compare anyone life that he or she is something in this era. So if you can go for the childhood of that great personality, everybody have a same kind of a childhood. But if you can go for the parenting and nurturing of the students, parenting and nurturing of the students are different. Only this thing is differentiating in the life of a children, right? That's the reason if you can say your mother and father loves very much to you. But if you can talk about your teacher always motivate you to do this thing and do this thing is important for your life. Teacher always listens things from your mother and father when they are going for nurturing for you guys, that it's needed for any student. If you can talk about the school principal is like the head of the teacher. Every time he or she is taking care of the teacher and student. And then if you can talk about guys like us, we are like something different. We have to manage everything, that we have to make a bonding between student, principal, teachers, drivers and all. We have to make a bonding between them. So you will learn different things from different person. You will learn different thing from your class teacher, your principal, and everything. As a child, if you can go for a spiritual things, intellectual thing, it's important. I know this thing that it is very difficult that you can wake up early in the morning and you can go for exercise, and then you can go for a yoga and more and meditation and all. But it's important for your life in this era also, because if you can go for a yogic science, it's also important that you can do the more and more yoga, and you can go for a more and more things in your life. I am not taking your too much time. Today is the Sunday. I know this thing and you all are enjoying your life. But it's a lesson from my side on this Children's Day that try to maintain your attitude like a lion. Why it is important? I have a story for you guys. Lion के पास कोई skills नहीं होता. If you can go for a lion, lion के पास कोई skills नहीं होता. Tiger के पास अपनी skills है. Peacock के पास अपनी skills है. Giraffe के पास अपनी स्किल्स है. एलिफेंट के पास है, लेकिन लॉयन के पास कुछ भी नहीं है. लॉयन बैठा रहता है, और लॉयन बैठा रहता है और एक ही बार शिकार के लिए निकलता है. हंग्री होता है और शिकार के लिए निकलता है, शिकार करके आता है. लॉयन एलिफेंट से बहुत छोटा है, जिराफ से भी बहुत छोटा, हाइट में, वेट में, सब में छोटा है वे. लेकिन तो भी वे लॉयन क्यों बोला जाता है कि दैट यू आर द किंग ऑफ द जंगल और यू आर अ किंग ऑफ एन फॉरेस्ट? क्योंकि वे अपने एटीट्यूड को मेंटेन, उसका एटीट्यूड है कि मैं ये कर सकता हूं, मैं ही ये कर सकता हूं, इज डिफरेंट. मैं ये कर सकता हूं, इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर योर लाइफ. सो एज अ एशियन ग्रुप डायरेक्टर for by both the branches, I want to convey a message. My dear students, maintain your attitude like a lion every time. Does not matter what is your height, what is your weight, what is your personality. Matters only how you are presenting yourself in front of anyone. And if you are presenting yourself in front of anyone in a good manner, you will get good thing. If you are presenting yourself in a different manner, you will go for in a weak position, right? So it's my message for all my students, my former students, present students, and all, that try to maintain your attitude like a, and nothing can stop you, right? Nothing can stop you. Problems will come, solution will also be there, but you can't say that I am going to complete my life. This is one is no. These are for more and more hunger for education. There is a need of more and more hunger of skills. There is a need of more and more hunger of confidence. Then you can treat yourself like a Sachin Tendulkar, and if you can say that you can go for a Amitabh Bachchan and all, and if you can Lata Mangeshkar, then you can, because they have a confidence, they have a capability, they had a capability to arrange all the things in a different manner. So every students have a different capability, right? If you can go for today this one is my room, and I am just completing my speech from my room. And today I am totally late because I was thinking that my all students were enjoying it. There's no need of a disturbance. It's yours day, my dear student. And that's the reason once again I am going to say Happy Children's Day to all my students, all my teachers, and all children who all belonging to this earth, that there is a need that you can enjoy your day. You can go for a more and more enjoyment on this day. This is your day, my dear. I know board examination is coming, that you have a lots of pressure also, but no need to take pressure. If you have completed your syllabus on time, no need to take pressure. Just enjoy your life and go for a most difficult task, and you can solve it in a simple way. This is simply a way of SN Group of institution. And thanking you all of you for joining my channel, and kindly subscribe it. It's needed. It's a school channel, and you can get more and more updates on it. Thank you students. Thank you SN Group, and thank you for giving me this kind of opportunity, that I am working here since 4 or 5 years, and then I am completing my all the things whatever needed, and I have completed all the things from you guys. I have learned lots of things from you guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you.